Hi, and welcome to Hada Nafsak. My name is Yaman, and I am happy to be your guide today. In this session, we are going to practice arriving to the now by training our attention through focus practice. We will do that by bringing our awareness to something that we are experiencing in our physical body through our senses. So you can bring your awareness to your sense of sight, your sense of sound, your sense of touch. Maybe you focus on the experience of your breath in your body. Anything that you can experience with your senses, and that is because your body is happening right here, right now, whereas your mind can be on different timelines, the past, the future, an imaginary place. So let's arrive to the now through our senses. For this practice, I will start by guiding you to your breath, and then I will guide you to your point of focus, whatever you choose to focus on for the duration of the practice. We will practice for about 4 minutes. Every 30 seconds, I will ding the bowl. That'll be my way of checking in with you. Hey, are you still here? And if not, come back. The purpose of this practice is to bring awareness to where your attention goes, and then train it to be on where you want to focus on. Where your attention goes, energy flows, and where energy flows, that grows. And so we want to have the power to grow the things that we are being intentional about, not where our mind pulls our attention in all types of directions. So let's reclaim our power by practicing and focusing on the now so that we can feel liberated from within. So go ahead and find your comfortable posture. Have your spine as aligned as possible. And bring your awareness to your breath and the sensations of your breath, and find a sensation that feels amazing. Go ahead and notice the experience of your breath, everything that your breath has to offer, the way it travels through your nostrils into your body, the way it feels in your body in the space it creates. And then notice as it travels out in the space it leaves. Taking a deep, loving inhale and a slow, steady exhale. Find your rhythm. Now, go ahead and deepen your breath a little bit more by taking it down to your belly. Allow your belly to expand. And slow and steady release, let it go. Let's do that a couple more times. Deep breath into your belly. Slow and steady exhale. Now go ahead and deepen your breath a little bit more by taking a deep breath to your belly and a deep breath to your heart space. With a slow and steady exhale, let it go. Let's give that a try. Deep breath in belly. Deep breath in heart. Slow and steady release. Continue a couple more times on your own. And come back to a natural breathing rhythm when you feel complete. Or you can keep this breathing rhythm going if you enjoyed it for the duration of the practice. Now remain connected to your breath and go ahead and bring your awareness to your point of focus where you want your attention to go. And allow yourself to stay with this point of attention for the duration of the practice. Now, when your attention decides to drift, maybe there's a sound in the environment, a distraction, a thought, notice those distractions without judgment and gently redirect your attention back. If you judge or react to the distraction, you will further and deepen your distraction, and that takes you away even deeper from your point of focus. So gently notice when you catch yourself distracted and redirect your attention back. Now, every 30 seconds, I will ding the bowl. That will be my way of checking in with you. Hey, are you still here or have you drifted? If there are any thoughts that are intrusive and won't leave you alone, you can always receive them with love and redirect them by saying thank you for showing up, but not right now. Thank you, but not right now. Creating boundaries for your mind and taking your power back. Redirecting your attention back to your point of focus. Now let's get started. and time. Check in with yourself and notice how you did. Check in with your mind and observe without judgment, with pure loving awareness and compassion. Now drop into your heart space and notice how you feel. Observe your heart space with loving awareness and compassion. Now check in with your body. Notice how your body feels. If you're experiencing any tensions, go ahead and release them now. So go ahead and relax your scalp. Smooth out your forehead, that space between your eyebrows. Relax your facial muscles, relax your jaw. Release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and drop your shoulders. And relax your heart. Relax your heart. Let's take one last deep breath in together. So inhale through the nose. And slowly exhale, let it go. Thank you so much for choosing to practice with me. I love you so much. Have a beautiful one.